Hi, this is a message to all the people who very kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you for taking the time to do that. I do appreciate it and I appreciate your support. When I got the idea to create this channel, it was because there wasn't one. There literally isn't a dedicated Bentley Continental GT channel on YouTube. There's a million of everything else and I couldn't understand why, but now I do. Because there's no money in it. There's literally too few people who will watch these videos again and again and again and make it worthwhile in terms of ad revenue and things like that. I don't have any merchandise and nobody would buy it anyway. I shouldn't think. No, I do this because I enjoy it. But it makes all the difference in the world when people take 1 or 2 seconds just to find the subscribe button and to click it for me. So for those of you who've done it, thank you so much. For anyone who's never actually made a video or taken the time to edit it and put it online, I can tell you would be amazed at how long they take. Each one takes roughly 6 hours, sometimes longer if it's a more complicated process. So there's a lot of work that goes into it, and I will say it's been a lot of fun. I'm not very good, I have no delusions about that at all, and I've been very grateful for all of the people that have given me their support over the last 3 months. Tonight's quite a special moment though, because I'm on my 499th subscriber in just over 2.5 months. So that's quite an achievement apparently. Ideally, I'd like to get to 1,000 subscribers sometime in the next month or 2. And if you want to help with that, then please ask a friend to subscribe. It'll make it worthwhile doing this job that I don't get paid for and continuing to make the videos that I do. I expect I'll get better at it the longer I do it, and I'll take on more challenging projects when I start getting support. I'm looking for sponsorship as well from anybody who wants me to try out their products on the car, from cleaning equipment through to stereo equipment and anything else that Bentley owners would appreciate and use. So please get in touch if that's the case. And just a quick newsflash, next week I'm going to be filming the oil and filter job that I'm going to be doing on Monday, weather permitting. And when I'm doing that, if there's anything you'd like me to point out with the shields off, please let me know in the comments for this video as soon as you can, then I'll work it into it for you. I'm going to look at the oil pressure switch, because I know that's a common problem and something that's not all that expensive to do and fairly easy when you've already got the shields off. So that's next week, and if I get a chance, I'm going to do the smoke tester video at the same time, although it will be a lot easier when I've got some equipment to work with. The moment I'm on trolley jacks and axle stands, and it's hardly ideal. So tune in next week for the oil and filter change video. I'm starting a bathroom on Thursday, so it might take a little bit on my schedule on editing and stuff like that, but hopefully by next weekend I'll have a decent video for you to watch. And if you decide to go ahead and do your own oil and filter job, you can do it with a bit more confidence, knowing a dummy like me can do it. Alright, so that's all for this week. And thank you very much for your time and for listening, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Happy motoring.